Hello, this is Greg and Chris here. Hey, Space Food Reviews coming once again for the power of YouTube. So, guys, these are cheesy Cheetos Crunchy Buffalo.
Yep.
100% guaranteed.
I believe them.
Nutrition facts: 9-service per container, about 21 pieces.
Yep.
Calories 150, total fat 10, saturated fat 1.5, trans fat 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 150,
yep.
Total carbs 60, dietary fiber 1, total sugar is less than 1, and 2 grams of protein. Potassium 130.
I know. So we're gonna see if we can give these a 10, guys.
What do they look like inside the bag?
We haven't gave anything a 10 for a while, so let's see if we can give this a 10. Ooh. Yeah.
Well, these are.
Yeah.
Orange guys don't do that.
Yeah.
They're not too.
You think they're overloaded with cheese? Buffalo? We hope. We hope, guys.
Not too red, but.
I taste the buffalo. It's spicy like buffalo. I don't taste it. Heavy amounts of buffalo though.
It gradually comes up on your back tongue.
It's alright, I'll give it a 7.
Scale of heat.
The heat's like about probably what, 6? Maybe a 4.
I give it a 7 to them. He's about 4.
Alright. I'm done. I'm full. That it was already starting to weigh on me. But yeah, I'll give it a 7. Yeah. Whatever.
Anyway, guys, subscribe to our channel, MAINE'S Food Reviews, for more additional content. Remember to subscribe, like it, and keep spreading. Remember, Jesus loves you. We do too.
Peace out. You can have them if you want.